One of the things I've learned from being a SaaS marketer and working in retail is that not everything works quite the way you wanted it to. So take returns or online purchases as a return. There's a great feature, digital receipts. Who doesn't love a digital receipt? Only what if your phone is in dark mode? So what I want to talk today about is consequences of design decisions. So in proper news style, I have some notes here, and I want to talk to you about not just dark mode, okay? Because I do have a few rants in me about dark mode. One of them being probably the CFO who is making the decision whether or not to purchase your SaaS as part of their technical stack probably wears one of these. For the young people in the crowd, they're called readers or cheaters, and they're magnifying glasses basically that help you see better, regardless. So, all of your decisions on your features, on your design, on the user experience, on the user interface, they all have consequences, and that's all part of marketing. So when you're going ahead and you're making your website dark mode, you got to remember you are not your audience. Other founders are most likely not your audience. And the people who are your audience are people who are probably above 50 years old, 40 years old, and 40 to 50-year-olds who are making these decisions on whether or not to purchase your SaaS, whether or not to engage in this website, whether or not to change their stack, their tech stack, their website, their payment processor, whatever it is. And I see this a lot. And so they'll have these digital receipts, which are great until their phone is in dark mode. Why is it a problem? Because the scanners don't have enough contrast to scan the barcode. So then, against policy, we basically have to take the customer's phone and read the little numbers on there that we can type in. So instead of it being contactless, instead of it being more efficient, it actually becomes less efficient.